Hi friends, we are back once again with a new stretch in Noida which is fast emerging as the hub of residential options. We are talking about the residential projects coming in sector 74 to 78 stretch. The highlight of this sector is that it is in front of fully developed and costly sector 50 of Noida. Also, the commercial sector in Noida is beginning to develop at a phenomenal speed with many companies settling down there, which will give further boost to the property demand and the prices. This stretch is ideal in terms of location. Just 1.5 kilometers from Sai Mandir and 2.5 kilometers from existing metro station. Fortis Hospital is also in the proximity, only 3 kilometers away. Sector 18 market is only a 10 minutes drive and a 15 minutes drive from DND connects this sector to Delhi. There are close to 15 projects which will come up in this stretch. Also, a proposed metro station is just half a kilometer from here. Now let's take a look at various builders and projects coming in this area. The very first and the biggest plot is that of Gardenia, which is building Gardenia Golf City. Spread over 150 acres of land, in phase 1, just 50 acres is being constructed and close to 25 acres will be developed as a commercial. Also, almost 70% of the land will be left open. The loading in the project is 22%. It is a high-rise project which will have 30 towers with G+17, G+18 and G+21 floors and will house 2,500 to 3,000 units. Golf City will be adjoining 18 acres green belt in master plan and also adjoining 80 acres green city park in sector 74, which is the USP of this project. It offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK option whose size vary from 950 square feet to 2,950 square feet. The next in line is Amrapali Silicon City, located at sector 76 and spread over 45 acres of land, out of which 75% is green and loading is 20%. Amrapali Silicon City offers 2 3-bedroom apartments varying in sizes from 995 square feet to 1,600 square feet. Amrapali Silicon City has excellent amenities such as Green Club with sports and entertainment facilities. All flats are 3 sides open and park facing. The towers are mostly high-rise with G+14 and G+19 floors. Amrapali Princely Estate, located at sector 76, is also a part of this 45-acre land and is spread over 12 acres. This project is again 75% green and has a loading of 20%. Amrapali Princely Estate offers 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments varying in sizes from 950 square feet to 2,350 square feet. This project has 18 towers and all towers are high-rise. The USP of Amrapali project is the quality of construction. Another big builder, Supertech, has come up with Cape Town in sector 74. Cape Town is coming up in 50 acres of land, out of which 82% is green and has a loading of 22%. Cape Town has close to 15 towers. This project has high-rise towers which have G+19 and G+18 floors. Cape Town offers 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats which have sizes starting from 890 square feet to 2,385 square feet. Also, a 100-acre adjoining City Green is proposed and the possession will be around July 2012. The highlight of this project is that it has sector roads of 45 meters around all its 4 sides. Now let's go to Aditya Celebrity Homes. Located in sector 76 in Noida and spread over 5 acres of land, it has 10 towers and all the towers have G+14 floors. And the total units are approximately 650 units. Loading in this project is 25%, showcasing 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments with all units uniquely planned to ensure ventilation and sunlight. To keep the flow of nature going, all apartments are park facing with wide balconies. Also, design of the apartment is the USP of this project. This property has a price tag which is comparable to all the other projects in this belt. Possession of Celebrity Homes will be in November 2012. JM Orchid is another project in this belt and has 6 acres of land. Total towers in this project are 10 and all the towers are G plus 14 floors and will house 600 units. This project has 2 and 3 BHK apartments and the sizes are from 950 square feet to 1735 square feet with the maximum utilization of space. The loading is 20%. Maximum flats are either park facing or sun facing and wooden work will be done in all the rooms, which is the highlight of this project. Possession for this project is around December 2012. Another small project in this stretch is that of Skytech Matrot, which is a 3-side corner plot and is spread over 5 acres and has 9 towers. All the 9 towers are G plus 14 floors and have 616 units in all. Matrot has 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments ranging from 965 square feet to 2250 square feet and has a loading of 22%. The builder will give the possession around December 2012. Another interesting project in this stretch is Elite Homes, which is spread over 5 acres and is a high-rise project in which all the 8 towers are 14 stories high and have a slit at the ground floor, which will be used for open car parking. This project also offers 2, 3, 4 BHK options, which have a loading of 25%. The highlight of this project is that all 504 units are 3-side open. Moving on to the next project, which is AVS Orchard, and which is spread over 6 acres, have 9 towers, and all have G plus 18 floors. Each floor has 4 units and offer 2, 3 and 4 BHK options, and loading is approximately 25%. The size varies from 995 square feet to 2450 square feet. The highlight of this project is that it's a Vastu-friendly design and all the flowers which will be planted in this project premises are imported. The possession for this property is around March 2013. Now let's move to the project behind this road. As you can see, the first board is that of Antariksh Golf View. The highlight of this project is that it will have a view of 200-acre proposed golf course and will be the nearest to the proposed metro station. This project is spread over 13.5 acres of land and will have 15 towers, which will have a total of 1300 units. Out of the total landscape, 30% will be concrete and rest 70% is green, and loading is 22%. The possession will happen around December 2012. Right next to this project is Sikka Group's Karmic Greens. Spread over 5 acres, this is the only project which is having the least number of towers, which is 6, and will be a mix of mid and high-rise building. The mid-rise building have G plus 7 floors, whereas the high-rise buildings is G plus 14 floors. This project has 1 to 3 BHK units, with sizes varying from 560 square feet to 1440 square feet. Another project of this project is that they are offering 84% of loading, which is the minimum in the whole belt. Across the road is Sethi Group's Max Royale. Spread over 5 acres, this project has 10 towers and a total of 682 units. This project will be 75% green and loading is close to 22%. The high point of this project is that this is the only property where the builder is giving metro shuttle service exclusively for its residents, and although this project doesn't have a golf course, but residents can use golf carts to commute within the project. Moving on to the next project, which is Mahagoon Modern. Spread over 25 acres of land, out of which approximately 80% to have free flow of light and air to every corner of all the apartments. It has a mix of low and high-rise buildings. This project offers 2, 3 and 4 and 5 BHK apartments with size ranging from 1250 square feet to 3825 square feet duplex, and loading is close to 25%. Now the last project on this road is Hyde Park, which is a 3-side open plot, has a park right in front of its main entrance, and on the left side is a facility area adjoined by another park and a proposed school site. This project is spread over 15 acres and has 23 towers, and all the towers are G plus 19 floors. This project offers 1 to 4 BHK flats, which vary from 525 square feet to 1750 square feet, and loading is again 25%. Overall, this stretch is abuzz with the construction activity and should be inhabited in another 2 to 3 years. If you want to book a flat in this belt, then please call on the numbers on your screen.